Today we are going to discuss finite automata with output. So finite automata with output is having two category. One is called as Moore machine and other is Mealy machine. First we will discuss about Mealy machine because it is very simple and already we had considered it. So what is Mealy machine is nothing but the FSM. So what we had discussed in FSM is the input and output pair we have to write on the transition. That is nothing but the Mealy machine. Whereas in the case of Moore machine, what we are going to do, we are going to write the output within the state. So in Moore machine, on the transition we are just writing only the input and the output we are going to write within the state. That is called as a Moore machine. So what is a Mealy machine? It's nothing but FSM on which we are going to write the input and output pair on the transition. Okay. Whereas in case of Moore machine, the output is written on within the state. Okay, so either the Moore machine or the Mealy machine both are represented by the tuple as Q, which is a set of finite set of state, sigma, which is an input alphabet. Here we have new alphabet, which is an output alphabet. Then we have the transition function, which is called as a state function. This one is called as a machine function and the initial state. Now in the case of Moore machine, the machine function is nothing but the input. Your state is going to produce the output. That is, within the output symbol, within the state, the output symbol is present in the case of Moore machine. Whereas in the case of Mealy machine, what we have to write? We have to write the machine function. That is, input with the state will produce the output. Here we have one example in which we have a diagram for the Moore machine in which the output, that is 0, is written under the state, within the state q0 slash output. Then another state is q1 slash 1. That is the output of q0 is 0, output of q1 is 1. So q0 on input 0 produces output 0, goes to the state q1. q1 with input symbol 0 produces output 1 and goes to q1. So same thing is written here. q0 on input 0. q0 on input 0 goes to where? Goes to q1. That is our state function. So if we are going to consider the state function of FSM, so q0 on 0 goes to q1. Same thing we are going to write here in case of Moore machine. q0 on 0 goes to q1. Now q1 on 0 goes to q1. q1 on 0 goes to q1. The diagram is same, but what we have done, the difference is that only the output is written within the state. Here the output is written on the transition. Okay, so this is nothing but that we had marked with the this thing brown pen. So this is your state function that is written here in case of FSM. Same thing we have to draw here. Now how we are going to add the output function? The output function, which is called as the machine function in FSM, is q0 on 0 produces output 0. Same thing we have to write q0 with input 0. Where we have to write output? Here we have to write the output. The next one, q1 on 0 produces output 1. So what is the output of the state? So q1, what is the output of the state? So if you are going to check the Moore machine, the q0 and the output. So q0 and the output. So here this is the notification for the output symbol. Here we have to write the output present within the state q0. So q0, what is the output of q0 is 0. q1, what is the output of q1? q1, the output of q1 is 1. So what we have to do, we have to add one more column in machine function and state function, that will be considered as a machine function. So q0, that is the entry name, that is the x. What is the x ka output? So x output, for example q0 output is 0, so that we have to write here. What is the output of this state? The output of this state is written within the state q1. So q1 ka output is 1, so that we have to write here. Again, what we are going to revise is FSM. Mealy machine is nothing but the FSM. For FSM we have to draw two functions, machine function and state function and the machine function. Same thing we have to do for the Mealy machine. So Mealy machine is nothing but the FSM. Moore machine is similar to your FSM, in which the output symbol we have to write within the state. So only one difference, the logic for designing Moore and Mealy machine is same concept, same method of designing, we can say FSM. will be applied to both Moore machine and milling machine. Only one difference is whatever output we are writing on the transition, in case of milling machine has to write within the string. So this is the difference between milling machine and Moore machine.